Hi, I'm Ken Sim, Product Manager with SonTek. Today we're taking a look at the LED light patterns on your RS5 system and what they tell you about setup and connection. These small indicators can give you a lot of insight into what's happening behind the scenes. So let's break them down. First of all, there's an indicator light on the back of the RS5 itself. After you've put a battery in and screwed down the battery cap, the light should blink red slowly, like this. This indicates that the RS5 is receiving power. To communicate with the RS5, you will use the USB radio dongle. When you first plug the USB radio into your computer, the LED will blink green slowly. This means it's in idle mode. It's powered on, recognized by your PC, and ready to go. Next, when you open the RSQ software and click Connect, Scan for Devices, the LED turns cyan and blinks quickly. This tells you it's scanning for devices. Once the connection is successful, the LED will blink blue once every 2 seconds. That's your cue that everything's talking to each other and that you're ready to start collecting data. Watching these patterns helps ensure everything is set up correctly and minimizes guesswork when you're out in the field. So that's it. If you ever have questions about the RS5's LED light patterns or need a hand with troubleshooting, feel free to reach out to us. Our support team is always happy to help. Send us your questions at sontek@xylem.com.